Okay, so part 2 of the icon conversation, something I never get tired of talking about, Tom.
No.
So tell us really the bottom line from a numbers perspective, and you're the numbers guy.
Sure.
What is an icon actually paying to eXp in their icon year?
All right, so there's going to be on this slide here that's coming up on the screen right now, you'll see we used an average sales price of $400,000. Now I know, Lisa, in your market it's $800,000 or maybe $1 million. And I know there's markets in Dallas or Florida where my average price is $250,000. So for this purpose, on this slide, it's $400,000 and the average commission in this scenario is 2.5%. Okay, so very simple, guys. You close a transaction that's $400,000 in sales. If the commission is 2.5%, that is equals $10,000 in gross commission income, right? So Lisa, as an icon agent, and you first started with eXp, your split is 80%, right?
Correct.
So then what is your split?
So I'm getting $8,000. The company's getting $2,000.
That's right.
Yep.
And at $8,000, we're deducting $65 for your transaction.
Yep.
25 for transaction
40
fee
and the 20.
and 40 for errors and omissions. So your take-home pay is $7,935. You pay eXp $2,000. Rinse and repeat the same $400,000 sale in this example 7 more times for a total of 8 transactions. So when you do 8 transactions times $10,000 in gross commission income, you've paid into $80,000.
Yep.
And 20% of that
And
is
$16,000.
which then hit your cap.
Correct.
So when you hit your cap, you then keep 100% of the commission, and we deduct just another $250 per transaction. Now an icon needs to close another 20 transactions,
approximately.
right? 20 transactions for a total of paying in $250 per transaction times 20 transactions is $5,000 in fees. Okay. After that, you hit icon, and we give you the entire $16,000 you paid in back in company stock. So you get that whole 16 back. So here's the math. What did it really cost an icon? To get started in year 1, $149 to get started. You have 11 months of $85 per month fee. Remember that fee? Mm-hmm. Okay. The total fees then is $1,084. You did 8 transactions, assuming the $400,000 transactions each, to cap, times $65 in transaction fee is $520. And then when you cap, you do another 20 transactions, paying a full $250 cap transaction fee. That equals $5,000 in additional capped fees. Yep. So your total cost for an icon, Lisa, is a whopping how much?
$6,604. Wow.
That's it.
That's
so
amazing.
when we hear icon says, no, I'm at a 95% chop, I'm at a 90% chop, and all you're giving me is 80%, that's not true. You gotta slow them down and show them this video. If they're doing about 28, Lisa about 25 maybe, because she's doing big volume to get to capping, right? Let's call it between 25 to 35 transactions across the country. You are an icon agent, and you really should only be paying around $6,600 to $7,200 total in fees.
Yeah.
Never mind everything else that happens. Okay? Watch version 3. We're not doing it right now, for what it means for all the stock that we give you.